hide and seek, whatever number this is. Alright, I know they're like downstairs, so I'm just gonna quickly look around each room. And as you know, they're never gonna be in my room because I was counting in there. No. I don't know why that's there. But look, it's actually clean. Clean, I tell you, clean! Sorry if it's dramatic pause, it's just that when you're coming in and out, you can't hear any voice, which sucks. Completely ignores the bathroom for a couple of reasons. One, nobody hides in there. Two, I don't know what the other thing is. Hey, Pongo! My dog. Okay. Nope. I want more chocolate.
Hello?
Mommy, can I have more chocolate? Hey, there's an it!
I can't hear you. I cannot see you. You do not exist.
Fine, I don't exist. La 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 la.
We're gonna cut that up.
This chocolate is amazing. Yeah, cut that up because I need a piece.
I do. Guess what? I'm aware of where they are.
There you go.
But I'm not telling you.
Oh, no. Uh-huh. Chocolate is amazing.
You know what? I don't want you pulling up for the day. I found jelly beans.
Yum.
Num num.
That's me with it. Sorry about the lighting.
Hi! I love how you walk right past me.
I know, but I had to find the light. God. Turn that light on. Doesn't look like there's anybody there.
What?
Now, where the hell is Sammy? Damn it! Maybe I missed her. Damn, I'm gonna kill you. Oh yeah! I'm gonna eat one right now. Hello?
Get the cat out!
Give me a doggy. Give me a doggy. I think this is the end, right?
Num num.
Chocolate and cowtails rule.
You're not here, I come. Up here, honey. Oh, you're fat. You're so fat.
She's talking to the
Come
frog.
on, scoop. Oh my goodness. Now I get 2 heavyweights. Hey.
Wow.
You moved all your things around again.
She's my mother.
Oh my goodness.
She's scary.
Hold the door. I'm not heating the outside, please.
I'm very much eating it. Nobody there. Oh, I wonder. If somebody was in there, I would totally bake them and eat them. Well, I know Sammy's on there. Not there. I'm aware that nobody's there, but I'm gonna check. Ooh, dark. Light. I don't think there's anybody up here. Look it, it's a bathroom. And there's a toilet. Nobody in there. Hi, Daddy! What's up? Do this sign. This is the monster of Tewksbury. I think you see why. It'll be here. This is the monster of Tewksbury. There's absolutely nobody under my bed. So obviously I don't have to really check in there. And I just heard Sammy laughing! And she's downstairs. No, she's upstairs. Oh, hi, Sammy.
Hi. I love doing that. It's so damn fun.
Well, I know when I'm there, when I'm not gonna find you.
I know. That's why I figured I'd laugh. Alright. Uh-oh.
Yeah. Oh, God.
I'm totally gonna put that on.
I want to put it on. Well, I'm gonna go find other people, because, yeah. Ta-da! No. Hey, do you know where they went? Just leave it and see if she notices. Hey, do you know where they went?
Oh, outside.
Oh, sweet. Backyard? Was it backyard? Huh? Let me just go with the side door. Now we're outside. Hi.
Run away, you can't run away.